Hi everybody, Mom and I slipped into town to do the food pantry today because we were able to today for now. Hopefully the van should be getting its new bushing thing, whatever it is it needs, very, very, very soon. So everything can get back to normal routine-wise because I don't do the greatest being out of routine. I love routine. So, food pantry day today. We have to start with a French baguette, a fiber-filled snack pack, apples and grapes and little cheeses and stuff like that. So, carrots, maybe green beans or okra. I don't know. I can't see which one it is, really. I think okra. We have best cream frosted cupcakes. Yep, my kids will be happy with that. We got some skillet English muffins back there. A Caesar salad there for me. All-purpose flour. Toasted oats. A couple of apples. And 4 grapefruit back there. A pack of cheese. It's American cheese. We got a honey cured spiral ham in there. Spiral hams are not my favorite, but I do break them up and put them into other things. Or make sandwiches out of them or what have you. Because they're thin little slices. And up here in New England, we do a New England boiled dinner. And when we do a New England boiled ham dinner, we make it so it's stringy and falls apart. That's how we like our ham here. I do have a video out on that if you want to check it out. We got some celery back there. I love celery. And Emma actually loves chopping it up, sealing it in the sealing meal bags for the freezer for soups and stuff like that. And I'll eat it too sometimes if it's, not wilty and stuff like that. But if it's wilty, we just do it up for soups. And we have a sports drink back there. And that is literally what it says on it, is sport. We've got a big thing of hamburger. Oh, my cat almost tripped me. He's sitting right behind me eating his food. Big thing of hamburger. I'll chop that up into 3 sections. Carrots and peas. I love carrots and peas. We got a toilet paper back there. You can always use extra toilet paper. Because when you get down to the bathroom, everybody's going to use it all and you're going to need the extra. And it's going to be there. Cage-free 2 dozen of eggs. Gotta love that. 2 dozen eggs. And we got a bunch of different lunch meats. We got oven roasted turkey breast, hickory smoked turkey breast, and Taste of Inspiration's ham. And then we got some cut green beans, some sweet peas. I like the Stokely's brand. So happy with that. And an all good peanut butter. I'm not hugely picky on peanut butter. The natural is not my favorite. I know. Better for you. I get it. But the natural, all natural peanut butter with all the oil and stuff, not my favorite. It's very drippy and runny. Not my favorite. Give me the kind with my chemicals in it and, good enough to put on a sandwich and not drip out all over the place. Because I'm messy anyway, and by the time I get done eating a peanut butter sandwich, it's probably going to be on the front of me if I use that. So we got some onions, lots of little onions in there. Sometimes I process those up, put them in the freezer. Sometimes I don't. Sometimes I just use them up. We got a savory garlic loaf. I love those. They make great garlic bread, of course. We got garlic knots. My nephew loves those. And we got lots of carrots in here. I saw a recipe the other day for a sweet carrot pie. Never seen that before, but one of these days, I will try it one of these days. And we got some oranges back here, little tiny oranges. I like little tiny oranges. Emma not so much, Greg not so much, but I'll eat them. But that's what we have in our food pantry haul today. And I got lots of stuff to put away because we stopped at another Dollar General today. And they had so much more on clearance there too. So we got some stuff there. I'll show you that video next. And we'll see you on the next video. Like, subscribe, share, watch a few more. You know I mentioned a few more in here. So check them out. And we'll see you on the next video.